Hello CSE. This video is going over, and I found my mistake. And right here, remember when we were doing this and I said that, oh no, we don't need a math, we need a logic there? Well, guess what? A math, this function right here, change this to an equals. And let's disable that and make sure so we don't delete it and then have to go back for it. I'll just move all that up there for a little bit. Okay, let's go back through this. I'm gonna go to projects. I'm gonna save, and then I'm gonna go to connect, AI companion. We are going to, I'm going to see if that does fix the problem and if I did find the mistake. I've had a couple of students turn in their work already before this video was produced, and they had some problems too, and I think that might be it. So I wish I could show you my screen. Let me try. So I typed in my number, I hit guess, and yes, it says guess lower. So that was our problem. So let me change my number, and let me try another number. And it says yes, guess higher. Try again, and my guess is left. The only thing is my guess is left label, my guess is left number is now not showing up. So at least I fixed the runtime error. So I'm going to click, oh, that's just a tag. So try again. Let me delete my numbers, and let me try one more time. And it says bingo, I win, yay, in my message lines. Okay, so I found one mistake, but now I got to figure out why my guesses remaining are not showing up. Okay, it shows up when I hit reset, play again. Let me try again. I'm going to guess. Oh, I got another runtime error. Okay, so when I clicked my guess button, that is where I got that error left. Okay. All right, I'm going to keep digging around. Okay, I'm back. All right, so I want to try something. I want to go guess input. I want to set my guess input, and I want to make sure that says text. Guess input to text, and I want to put that right here under my initialize global. I'll put that there. And I'm going to go through each one of these and look and make sure. So I have my, okay, I want to make my guess button visible. So I need my guesses button visible. Guess button. And I want to set my guess button. I want to put that right here. It's not going to go. Oh, come on. Now I lost it. It's way back there in the back. No, get back in there. Okay. That's what happens when you place something in the wrong place at the wrong time, or the right place at the wrong time. So I want to change this to text. And I want to find, where'd my logic go? Oh, there it is. Make that false. And that is going to go under my visible true. There we go. looks good. Win, lose, try again, that looks good. My get global guesses remaining. Let's see. Yep, get my global guesses remaining, that looks good. Try again. Win, lose. Win, lose, label text, try again, guess lower. Else if I want it to get global guesses that are equal to 0, this one is questionable. So remember how we fixed the math? We changed this to a math block up here. We might want to do that down here. So I just want to pull this out. And I'm going to disable it. Well, I want to disable the whole thing. Okay. And in here for this else if, I want to go up to the math. And I want to get one of these and go back to the math, and I need to get this, because remember this is correct, this 0 at the end, and then I want to get a get global guesses remaining right here, and I want to put that right here. So I want to get a get global guesses remaining and see if the math function works better than the logic function, because that was a problem up here. So let's see. So then I have my win-lose text, and then I have my guess button visible, false. I have my, well, let's see, what if, so I'm going off my notes and I'm going off my instructions in PLTW. So I have my set win lessons text, you're out of guesses, and then I have my guess button visible to false, and I don't think it would make a difference, but because they're going to be set at false. But let me find my set lower higher visible, my set lower higher visible, lower higher, and I want to change this to visible, and then I want to add a logic false block. Okay, and let me put that under the guess button. And then I want to have a guesses left. Oh, I forgot to turn off my phone. Sorry about that. Okay, so I want to get, so here, let's duplicate this, put it here, and I'm going to change this to guesses left. And then I want to visible, and I want that to be false. And then I want my multiplier arrangement to be visible and true. So what I'm going through right now is based on the notes and the instructions in your PLTW. That's why it's very important that you read your instructions. Oh, what do I have hiding up in there? Oh, I have this hiding up in there. Okay. So let's see. I think I'm missing something. I really do. Based on my notes, I do believe I'm missing something. So I want to get a set global guesses. And that is up here. I'm going to get a set global guesses. And I want to put that under my else. I'm going to put that right here. And I want to get a set global guesses. I wonder if I move that there, leave those alone, but I need to add another math function. And you might think this is redundant, but I want to show you something. So I want to put that here, and I want to change that to a minus sign. Oh, I don't have it. I grabbed the wrong one. That's what happens when you're trying to figure it out. I want this, I want a minus sign. I want to put that right there. And I want to add global guesses to that. So let's see, I can just copy this. I can duplicate that, get global guesses remaining. And I want a number block. So there's a number block. I can just copy that without fishing around. And I want to set that to 1. Okay. So if this right here looks familiar, it's because it is. That is also right here at the start of our program. So let me take a look at my notes. We might need to do some changes in our enter button. But I want to go to project. I want to save. And then I'm going to test again. And I'm going to see what happens this time. Okay, everything came up okay, so let me make a guess. Guess higher. Tells me, oh, now it's telling me I have how many guesses I have left. So I fixed something. So let me guess again. Guess higher. Try again. It's telling me how many guesses I have left. The only thing that there's a problem with is there's a problem with the count on my guesses. So I need to fix that. I need to make a note for guesses left. So I'm writing that down in my notes. My guesses left are off. So I need to fix those. It's counting by 2s. I'm hitting my guess button. All right, it says I win. Look at that. Okay, so that's strange though, that when I win, my play button, my guess button magically turns into false. Okay. All right, So this is just called computer coding, my friends, okay? And it's like anything else, you got to figure it out until you figure it out. So look for the next video that will have more corrections in it.